Hello everybody, my name is Michael and today I got this ugly sweater cookie kit. So it's basically just sweater shaped cookies, and you can decorate them with frosting and some sprinkles. So let's open the package. So here's what comes in the package. We got some cookies, frosting, some sprinkles, and more cookies. There's some chocolate cookies and vanilla cookies. So let's move this aside. There are 3 types of frosting. They're different colors. Little sprinkles. Now we can start decorating the ugly sweaters. I guess they don't know how to make beautiful sweaters right now. So let's open the chocolate cookies first. Here they are. Now let's open the vanilla. Actually, we're gonna open it later.
So we get this type of cookie, this type, and 3 more times. And here.
Which one should I decorate first? I think I'm gonna decorate this sweater first. Let's go on that aside. Take a cookie. So here are our frosting. We got only 3 packs, but still, that's pretty much enough. So how do you open these? Oh, finally. And we can just start trying. This frosting doesn't really want to come out. It's kind of hard to get it out, but okay. I think I'm going to cut more of this lid. Oh, jeez. Wait, how do you open this stuff? It's so hard. Done with the frosting. Now we can add some sprinkles. I'm just gonna cut this back a little bit and add some. So here is my cookie. There is only 3 colors of frosting, so just like a pattern and some sprinkles. Well, that's pretty much it. I don't know if it's ugly and you're supposed to make it like very cool, or you're supposed to make it ugly. But I think I for sure made it more ugly than it was. So I guess there's only one thing left to do. Eat it.
It's good.
There's like different shapes of sprinkles, and the frostings have different tastes too. So that's cool. I guess let's try doing one. Vanilla cookie. Ugh. I want to try doing this. Like, what is this? A shirt or something? So let's get started. It said that there's only 3 colors, but I guess I'll go with it. My hands still hurt, and that's a bummer. Boy, I think they should hire me for coloring these shirts. Again, done with the frosting. Now we need more sprinkles. So here's the vanilla cookie. It's still 3 colors. There's no more frosting. That's kind of sad, but yeah. Some sprinkles. And let's try it out. Oh, pretty good. Me and my sister made these cookies right here.
Hello, everybody. My name is Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. What is your favorite? This one? This one? This one? This one? Or this one? My personal favorite is this one. It's so colorful, and it has a Christmas tree on it. Now it's your turn. Comment down below your favorite cookie. Whee! Merry holidays and a happy Christmas.